your shared profit distribution, the profit pool distribution on a standard IFOA. You put your profit at risk, and if you bring the project in under, you disperse not only the profit that you bid into the project, but what's left over, the incentive compensation layer, the ICL. Everybody who is a member of the team gets a piece of the ICL based on their percentage of their input into the master contract. Well, you can't accurately do any of that kind of calculation unless everyone's being totally transparent. How are you going to be transparent in a room full of people who are your competitors or general contractors that you're going to later bid with? And what prevents you from going, no effing way? And I've been in that scenario where we've gotten to the negotiations on the IFOA and two parties in the room just cross their arms and slide their chairs back. And you get these really vague answers. Well, it's 15%. It's like, no, we need a full scale, fully revealed, certified by your chief financial officer understanding of exactly where you put your profit and exactly what your overhead is and exactly what your labor burden. Architects make all that one way. Architects and engineers build and make their profit in one place. Plumbers and electricians do that in another place completely. I'm not going to say it because these are touchy industry trade secrets. And the general contractor and the structural make theirs in a completely different manner. And this is the unspoken side of construction. And again, that has to be dealt with and addressed.
I mean, you forecasted this over a decade ago.
Because we're not talking about that openly, and we're not talking about what some of the real games that go on forced performance scenarios are. How are we going to once again get to vulnerability-based trust, completely transparent, incentive compensation layer, profit-sharing contracts? And there are some owners in the United States that need to be complimented because some of this is being very heavily driven by the owner's side, who finally went, why is it that every project that we're paying for can't come in on time? We're inundated with change orders, and the project's 60% over the original budget estimate of what it is, and we can't complete.